up, guys? We got a ZR2 Colorado. We end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. Anybody who has the Colorado or any pickup truck or any car that has a factory alarm, you give us a call and we'll be able to install that shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. Or if you're out of state, don't hesitate, give us a call. We do have the DIY kits ready to go with the installation video. Okay, so this particular customer bought the kit from us, but then when he realized that he was in my hometown, he said, hey, why don't you just come and install it? You know, so yeah, but anybody who's out of state, you know, you're not going to drive all the way to Miami for me to do this. So yeah, we'll sell you the kit and you can do the installation yourself. We just finished adding the shock sensor add-on. These trucks do come with a factory alarm, like the Silverado, Ford, Ram, you know, any pickup truck or any vehicle. The only problem is that they don't have any type of impact sensor, so you can bust out the window. In fact, you can destroy this whole truck with a baseball bat and break everything, and as long as you don't open any of the doors, nothing's going to happen. So by adding the shock sensor, now it becomes like an aftermarket alarm without having to carry an extra fob around. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, and that will set off the alarm. Disarm it. And then we'll do the other side. Okay. Yeah, this is the ZR2. And we're going to get ready to do this troll boss here in a second. They've been going around breaking windows and that sort of thing. That's happening in every state. Nothing new. So should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and bang in this back window, see if it fires off. Shock sensor is fully adjustable. You can set the sensitivity how you want it. You know, you don't want to make it real too sensitive, because you don't want thunder setting it off, but this is good enough. If somebody tries to bust out a window, or they try to bust out the keyhole, because it doesn't have a keyhole on that side, it only has one. It doesn't, only on this side. So if they try to bust that out, it's going to set off the factory alarm. I don't think they're going to bust that out, because then that means they're going to open the door and the factory alarm will go off anyway. So basically it's just breaking the window and jumping right in. Normally they do the little back one, but it's kind of hard with the spare tire here in the way. So my best guess is they're just going to break a window and jump in. Shock sensor will pick it up. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, you give us a call, and we do have the DIY kits for these Colorados. We thank you for watching this video.